So as we were doing nursery cum boarding school, now what we have to do, as you all have drafted the plan on appropriate scale, so maybe you have taken 1 is to 250 or 1 is to 500 according to your sheet size. Now what I want you people to do is take a room, a particular room, say you have taken an entrance lobby or the reception area. So start with like the entrance and move clockwise or whatever kind, like whatever way you want. You can number your rooms. You can have a specification for your classroom, like there's a type of a classroom, say it's a like normal classroom, not any activity area or something like that. So if you have a theme for all the classrooms, you can mark it as one, and you can make a plan of your classroom. You can detail it out with the 3D views, with the elevations and everything. So that you can have a picture of how your classroom will look like. If you have different kind of classrooms, you can mark them as classroom one. Like you have may have different classes like PG, KG, then prep or upper KG, lower KG, whatever you want to do. And first, like if you have 4 classes and you have different type of room, if you have like 2 classes for a same section, like suppose for class first you have 2 classes, so you can mark that as like 1, and then for LKG 2, for UKG 3, like that you have 4 type of rooms. You can do it in 4 ways or you can do it in 1 ways, whatever you feel like you want your classroom to be same, then it can be same. If you want your classroom to have different, like different classrooms should have different theme, then that can also work. And same way, when you go for the theme, you can have different type of furniture, different type of facades, like different kind of paintings, wall paints, different kind of color. Altogether there will be like the rooms can be different. Same goes with your academic, sorry, with your activity area. Same goes with the library, like different kind of, you people have like sorted out different kind of seating for your library, so you can give that like you can mark it as room number 5, or you can just say it as a library because you have only one library over there. And then you can define your 3D view of library and how you have planned that. And like the scale of the room should be smaller, like you can have 1 is to 100, so that you can have enough space, like the size of your room should be enough that you can at least like have your furniture layout properly. So at least it should be 1 is to 100, I'll say. um, After that, uh, maybe you have given some music or dance room, then that can be a part. As it is a boarding school, so you will be giving a restroom, or like maybe a bigger restroom or maybe some small restrooms, because there will be too many people. You have to see how many people can accommodate in your restroom, how many children can accommodate in your restroom. So according to that, you can have different type of restrooms, different sizes of bed, different types of beds. Like you can have single beds, you can have bunk beds. Obviously, they'll be single, but you can have bunk beds or normal floor beds accordingly. And if you have more restroom, they can be different, they can be same. It's your choice. They can be interconnected as well. And then. If you have a like small pantry or maybe a cafeteria kind of a place, a mess kind of a place, you can have that as well. um, then there is a play area which you have to make. Then like if you are using this different sand area, that should be planted. Plus, when whatever plantation you are doing, what kind of trees you want, you have to mention that as well. That all will come under your concept and themes. So whatever furniture layout, colors, shapes you have played with, just try to make sure you can incorporate all that in your final design. Plus, try to fix out, try to freeze the type of plants according to the direction, like what kind of plant should be used, where you can use like if you want some shade, you can have evergreen trees, deciduous trees. So all that you have to make a chart later on. Um, uh, Describing what kind of plant it is and how it flowers, how it blooms, what is the season, so that you know where you are placing that tree and why you are placing that tree or plant or a shrub or anything. Then when you are having your entrance facade, you have to see like after the entrance there's a reception and a waiting area, something like that, a small admin office, and you have to see to that too. It can be like very colorful, or it can be decent as an admin, or it can be colorful because like if you take whole theme of the school same, so you can create it that way as well. After the main entrance, there will be a parking provided to whatever region is best suited for you. So when you're placing the parking, make sure that you take the area carefully. You measure the area carefully. Like if you have like small buses or travelers like that, so where they can be parked. Plus, you can have like different parking area or a small parking area for cars and bikes according to um, according to the people you can count there. Uh, Plus a proper provision for like people for the parents to drop off their children and leave, so you can mark your entry and exit as well, or you can have entry and exit from the same route. um, Plus, if you are providing the pool area, you should see that it's not like too much open towards the road. It should be at the back, should create some kind of privacy. That's it. I guess these are the main points which you have to see. If you haven't freezed your plan, freeze it. If you have like freeze it, submit it, just have a discussion over your design, and then proceed with the single units, the single rooms, and then you can design that. For designing, I want you people first to make the elevation, the floor plans, the ceiling, electrical drawing. This will be for all sections. And even if you are not making electrical, you can make electrical as a whole even for the full building. And that's it. So I hope you will be completing it by your next class, and like the whole plan you'll be completing it, and then you can start up with the entrance and or whatever room you feel like. Thank you everyone.